have here today is the Reelworks brand extension cord reel from Amazon. This is a 40-foot cord. It is a 12-gauge cord, so it's nice and heavy for a while now. And I was afraid I would buy something that was a piece of junk, so I had kind of just been putting it off. Sell these on Amazon, and the current price, I believe, is about $139. However, this one came available in the Amazon warehouse as a new, used like new rather, from the Amazon warehouse. So open box package, $63 for this one. So I went ahead and picked it up and thought for that price probably couldn't, beat it. So let's take a look at it and see if it's something you might be interested in. It's got good weight to it. Like I said, this is a 12-gauge cord. It seems robust enough. Doesn't feel chintzy or anything. So not much came in the box. We've got 2 bolts. I assume for the mount, which won't do any good unless you have something to bolt through. But if you're planning just to screw it to the wall, you'll need to pick up some hardware, because this is all that came, with the exception of the instruction manual and a silicone treated wipe. You can do that with that whatever you like. So it looks like if we make our fasteners 9 inches on center, it'll mate up with this and we'll be good to go. I had these lags in the drawer, just 1/4 inch. These are 2 inches long. They wouldn't need to be 2 inches long. These just happen to be. And the washers should work with that bracket. So this will be what we'll go through the wall. And so what we'll do is we'll put our lags through the wall and into a stud. That should support that reel just fine. Next, we need a couple of pilot holes. We'll use a 3/16 bit for our 1/4 inch fasteners. Then we'll drop our reel on. The width for the reel is about 4 feet long, so you've got some flexibility in your mounting location. Has the circuit breaker inline there for your overload protection. And that's the Reelworks hose reel, 40 feet, 12 gauge. I like it.